Let's walk through the essential equipment required for a basic RGB LED tape lighting control setup. Before you get started, gather the following essential components from Diode LED. 512 DMX 4-channel decoder. This device translates DMX signals into understandable commands for your lighting fixtures. They are essential for controlling LED tape light and certain types of lighting fixtures. In this case, the tape light is not DMX ready and requires a remote DMX decoder. VLM series constant voltage LED drivers. These drivers supply constant voltage to your lighting fixtures through the DMX decoder, ensuring reliable performance and preventing flicker or malfunction. DMX Wi-Fi wall mount controller and constant voltage driver kit. This wall-mounted user-friendly controller enables easy preset scene selection and color choices using the color wheel. Dynamic light fixtures. These fixtures include our Valent RGBW color-changing tape light, Cat5 cable. This industry-standard network cable reliably connects your DMX decoders to the controller. This simplified demonstration will show how to set up 3 Valent RGBW fixtures to DMX decoders in a straightforward, easy-to-follow configuration. Are you ready? 1. Determine the installation location. 2. Turn the power off at the circuit breaker. 3. Connect the DMX decoder to the driver. Connect each DMX decoder to its own VLM constant voltage driver. The V+ wire of the driver goes to the power input on the DMX decoder, and the V- wire goes to the power output. Pairing a DMX decoder to a VLM constant voltage driver ensures a stable and constant voltage to each fixture, eliminating flickering or dimming inconsistencies. It also helps with wire management and troubleshooting, as each fixture is individually addressed. 4. Attach the LED fixture to the DMX decoder. Each Valent RGBW fixture connects directly to its respective DMX decoder. The black wire of the lighting fixture goes into the power input on the DMX decoder, the red wire goes into the R, the green wire goes into the G, the blue wire goes into the B, and the white wire goes into the W. 5. Connect the driver to high voltage power. Ensure a licensed electrician appropriately installs the VLM constant voltage LED driver to line voltage. 6. Connect DMX decoders via Cat5 cable. Once all of your DMX decoders and VLM constant voltage drivers are set, daisy chain all 3 DMX decoders together using Cat5 cables. The decoders have input and output jacks. The output of DMX decoder 1 plugs into the input of DMX decoder 2. The output of DMX decoder 2 plugs into the input of DMX decoder 3. A max of 10 DMX decoders can be daisy-chained together before additional hardware is required. The input for the first DMX decoder is connected to the Wi-Fi wall mount controller. 7. Install the DMX Wi-Fi wall mount controller and constant voltage driver kit. Ensure a licensed electrician appropriately installs the constant voltage driver from the DMX Wi-Fi wall mount kit to line voltage. Connect the Cat5 cable to the controller and plug that directly into the data port on the first DMX decoder. The wires used for the Cat5 cable that plugs into the controller are solid brown for ground, solid orange for D-, and orange-white for D+. This controller will enable you to switch effortlessly among 3 distinct zones and 10 dynamic scenes. If you want to see the preset dynamic scenes, please see page 3 of the DMX Wi-Fi wall mount installation guide. These scenes include color fades and skips. 8. Turn power on at the circuit breaker. This allows you to test that each DMX decoder and light fixture turns on. If it does not, something is not connected correctly. 9. Assign each DMX decoder to its unique address. Once you have power, the DMX decoders should turn on with some sort of indicator on the digital display. Assign each DMX decoder its unique address, allowing each fixture to have its own controllability and independence. The most common way to see an address for an RGBW fixture is to skip every 4 channels. Each channel is dedicated to a different colored wire. For example, fixture 1 will be assigned address 001, fixture 2 will be assigned address 005, and fixture 3 will be assigned address 009. To set the DMX address on each DMX decoder, press and hold button 3, or the third button on the DMX decoder for 2 seconds until numbers on the display flash. Short pressing the third button will change the address in the single digits. Pressing the second button will change the address in the double digits, and pressing the first button will change the address in the triple digits. For this example, since we are using addresses 001, 005, and 009, we only need to press the third button. Using higher values will be project-specific. To reset the DMX decoder, you hold the first and third buttons together for 3 seconds, where the decoder display and fixture will flash. Once an address is selected for your fixture, the remaining 3 channels will be utilized digitally. For example, if the DMX decoder is addressed to 001 on the display, then channel 1 is assigned to 001, channel 2 is assigned to 002, channel 3 is assigned to 003, and channel 4 is assigned to 004. Once the display stops flashing, the DMX address is set. The indicator light will light red when the data signal is confirmed. You will repeat this step for each DMX decoder, assigning each appropriate address based on the number of channels used. All standard DMX applications specified by Diode LED do not require the DMX decoder's factory settings to be adjusted. 10. Test your system now that everything is connected. We understand DMX can be complicated. Please feel free to email technical support at diodeled.com for more information and answers to difficult questions.